Fuck you, any mom, any sister, any job, any broke-ass car, and that's shit you call art. Fuck you, any friends that I'll never see again, everybody but your dog, you can all fuck off. I swear I meant to mean the best when it ends. Even try to bite my tongue when you start shit. And all my friends asking questions, they never even liked you in the first place. Dated a girl that I hate for the attention. She only made it 2 days, what a connection. It's like you'd do anything for my affection. You're going all about it in the worst ways. I was into you, but I'm over it now. I was trying to be nice, but nothing's getting through, so let me spell it out. A, B, C, D, E, F. You and your mom, and your sister, and your job, and your broke-ass car, and that shit you call art. Fuck you, and that I'll never see again, everybody but your dog, you can all fuck off. Na 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 na. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Not worth my energy, you and me, we're not the same. Oh, you think that I'm the bitch? Well, look in the mirror, babe. FYI, you're not my type. PSA, your friends are lame, you're bad in bed, you suck at sex. RIP to me,